Okay, so you want to give your students a test or an activity and you don't want to have to correct it. You want it to correct itself. So you're going to go to Google Drive and you're going to click New on the top left. And then you're going to go down to Google Forms. Give it a title. I like to make it pretty, so I go up here to the top right to this palette icon, artist palette, and then I click on it, choose image. Now there are tons of images to choose from, and they're all cute, but none of them have clothes in them, so I'm going to upload this really bad photograph, but I just needed something quick. So usually you want to pick something that has color all throughout or it looks funny, and then you position it where you want it. Okay, so I'm going to give them instructions up here. I'm going to put the question down here. So we're going to start with multiple. Oh, wait. No. So let's go up here to the top right where this cog is, the settings, and click that. And you're going to click on quizzes and then make this a quiz. I leave everything else the same, save. Okay, so I am going to click over here. I'm going to put my instructions right here. I'm going to say, escoge la mejor respuesta. Okay, so I'm going to click down here. I want this to be multiple choice. First, we're going to do multiple choice. So, and you want it to be required. So let's say, I'm going to say, ¿Qué lleva Ana? And I'm going to say, lleva un vestido rosado. The good thing about multiple choice is it can be not only is it an assessment, but you're providing comprehensible input with your assessment. The student is reading a lot of sentences in Spanish. Una corbata rosada. Sí. Lleva una sudadera rosada. D. Lleva una falda rosada. And if you want to make it a little harder, none of these is correct. Okay, you have to put the answer key. Well, first let's see what she's wearing. So I'm going to have her wear a dress. So you see up here, I clicked up here right to the left of multiple choice, this icon here for picture, and that's how I got this here. I'm going to make it smaller. And so then you want to give the answer key. So it is A is the answer, and you want it to have points, so give it points. Done. So the fastest way to make the next one is just to click here where it says duplicate. See right down here on the bottom, duplicate. And then I just change the question. So let's see, ¿Qué lleva Pedro? And then I'm going to want to click these three dots here on the top, right below the question, and change the image. So let's have him wear some calcetines. Okay, so I'm going to make them smaller. And again, I'm going to give him some comprehensible input. Lleva unos botas blancas. Lleva unas faldas. Lleva unos guantes blancos. Lleva unos calcetines blancos. So they're reading this and they're internalizing and assimilating the plural adjective coming after and also plural, plural, plural. So we'll say lleva una chaqueta blanca, and then ninguna, and of course the answer key would be C. It's already 1 point done. Okay, so let's say you do 12 of those, and now you've gone from giving them comprehensive input, you've gone from recognition, now they should be ready to do a little production. So I'm going to click over here, add a section. Okay, right here to top, right here, add a section, these 2 lines here. Okay, so this is a new section. I'm going to say la ropa dos. And then I'm going to click this add a question. So up here I'm going to give instructions. Now that when you do short answer, look here. Multiple choice is one of the sections. You could also do paragraph. I don't ever recommend doing paragraph. The probability that the student will say word for word exactly what you want them to say is 0. And it's very hard. I'm going to show you how to get them to answer, how to give them instructions so that there's no ambiguity. So you either choose multiple choice or short answer. So I'm going to choose short answer. And then I'm going to give them very clear instructions. Contesta las preguntas en letras minúsculas, no en mayúsculas. So I'm going to show them what that means. There's no need for English because I'm showing them what I mean. And then I'm giving them an example. Okay, so ¿qué lleva Felipe? Lleva una. Okay, so all they need to do is give me one answer. Oh, and they also need to escribe los acentos necesarios. So okay, so in order to give them this example, I need to give them a visual. So I'm going to click over here to the right, add image. And I'm going to add the corbata. Where is the corbata? There it is. Now you could tell them also, and I have done this, to put the color also. Now they know how to put the color afterwards. So you could say that. I'm not going to do this right now, but you could. So I'm going to say lleva una corbata. So now they have an example of what they're supposed to do. They know they're supposed to use lowercase, so they won't get it wrong if they use uppercase. And they know they're supposed to put in accents if they need to. So we're going to go to the question. We're going to make sure it says short answer. It's required. So let's see. 1. Que lleva Margarita. Lleva. Well, let's see. Let's click here. Let's put a picture in here. What do we want her to wear? So we want her to wear una camiseta. lleva una So I've given them the color. Normally I make them put it in, but okay, so I'm going to put answer key, and the answer is camiseta, all lowercase, 1 point, done. So now you know how to do multiple choice and short answer, and also how to make sure there's no ambiguity so that they get them right if they actually know the answer.